Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gems of Knowledge. Today I am here with another interesting video on the acid, bases and salt. So here we are going to study the multiple choice question from this chapter today, that is acid, bases and salts. Okay, so before starting this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button to get the notification as soon as I post my new videos. So here I am with 20 questions for you all. If I found some more questions, I'll be surely making a part 2 video on this. Okay, so let's start here. So the first one is, which one of the following can be used as an acid base indicator by visually impaired students? Okay, so the first question is given, which among the following can be used as acid base indicator? So all these are acid bases indicator, but the condition is, which among the following can be used by visually impaired students? So visually impaired students are those students who cannot see, the students who are blind. So for that students, which one among this can be used as a acid base indicator? So here options have been given. First one is litmus, second one is turmeric, third one is vanilla essence, and the D one is phenolphthalein. Okay, so among all this, you know vanilla essence is such an acid base indicator by which we can identify this acid base indicator by its fragrance, by its smell. Okay, so basically this comes under the olfactory indicators. So you know what are olfactory indicators? The indicators which can be identified with their smell. Those are nothing but olfactory indicators. So among all this is the only one indicator which can be identified with its smell. Okay, so the answer here can be written as C1. Okay, so next you can see, which among the following is not an olfactory indicator? So here I have already explained what are olfactory indicators. Okay, so here the question is, which among the following is not an olfactory indicator? So you can see vanilla we can identify by its smell, as well as onion, as well as clove. The litmus paper, which will change its color, that is not an olfactory indicator. It does not smell anything. It will just show its change of color. So here the answer is litmus. Okay. So the third question is, which one among the following is acidic in nature? Okay, so here the options have been given: lime juice, lime water, human blood and antacid. So you all know lime juice, it is already acidic, whereas lime water is nothing but lemon which is mixed with water, so it will be not that acidic than the lemon juice. Whereas human blood and antacid, this comes under neutral and basic solutions. Okay, so the answer here is nothing but the lime juice. Okay, next coming to the fourth one, which among this liquid is used as dissolution of gold? I hope you have noticed this. Among this 4 solutions, which among this is used in melting of gold? Dissolution is just melting the gold into its solution. So hydrochloric acid is not possible, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. But aqua regia is such a liquid which is mixed with which is made by mixing 2 acid, that is nitric acid and hydrochloric acid, in the ratio 3:1. It is such a huge fuming and reactive acid. Okay, it is very reactive and very fuming acid. It can even dissolve our gold. Okay, so the answer here is D1, that is aqua regia. Okay, next moving to the fifth one, which among the following is not a mineral acid? Okay, so here hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid comes under mineral acid, whereas the citric acid is present in lemon juice. Okay, and lemon is nothing but organic food material, so it comes under organic acid, not under mineral acid. Okay, so here the answer is citric acid. Okay, next, which of the following is not a base? They are asking which of the following is not a base. So here the options have been given: NaOH, sodium hydroxide, this is potassium hydroxide, and NH4OH, this is ammonium hydroxide. But whereas C2H5OH, this is nothing but ethanol. Okay, it is alcohol. So this is not a base. So this is basically not a base, it is an alcohol. So the correct option here is this one, C2H5OH. Next, seventh one, the pH of a gastric juices released during digestion is. Okay. So the options here are given as less than 7, more than 7, equal to 7 or 0. So here the correct option, correct answer is nothing but less than 7. Why? Because what they have asked here, the pH of gastric juices. We know that gastric juices are acidic in nature. Okay, so it means more than 7 is nothing but it will be nearer to base, and equal to 7 is nothing but neutral, whereas 0 means neither acid, neither base nor neutral. 0, the acidic solution starts from 1. You know that gastric juices are having the pH of about pH value of about 1.2. Okay, so it means it will come under the section less than 7, not 0. Okay, because the acidic solution starts from 1, not from 0. Okay. Next, 8th one, to protect tooth decay. Okay, to protect the tooth decay, we are advised to brush our teeth on regular basis. Okay, so you know that everybody advises to brush our teeth on regular basis, right? So why is that? It is just because to protect our teeth from decaying. Okay, the nature of toothpaste used here is. So what is the nature of the toothpaste which can be used here? So it is nothing but basic. Why? Because the pH of our mouth will be acidic. Okay, and to neutralize it, the acidic compound here, we need a base. So the toothpaste which we are using, it is nothing but basic. Okay. Yes, moving to the next 9th one question, which of the following gives the correct increasing order of acidic strength? Okay, so here 4 options have been given and we have to find the correct increasing order of acidic strength. So here 3 things have been mentioned in all the 4 cases, that is water, acetic acid and hydrochloric acid. Okay, so the correct answer here you can see water will be having the acidic strength as neutral. It is having the neutral, but acetic acid is a little bit higher than that of the water, whereas the hydrochloric acid will be the more acidic. So here which option is the correct option? The correct option is nothing but the A1. It is because water is having the neutral reactivity here and acidic strength, whereas acetic acid is a little bit lower acid than that of the hydrochloric acid. So the correct option here is A1. Okay. Okay. Next you can see 10th one. Which of the following are present in a dilute aqueous solution of hydrochloric acid? So hydrochloric acid has been given, and if we are diluting this hydrochloric acid, okay, when this hydrochloric acid is diluted into the water, what happens? What are the ions present here? We have to mention it. The first thing what they have given is H3O plus Cl minus, H3O plus OH minus, Cl minus plus OH minus, and no ions. So this is not the case, because here you all know that when any of the acid is diluted into water, it will be forming into its ions. Okay, so the part D, the D option is totally neglected here. Then Cl minus and OH minus cannot be occurred, where H3O plus OH minus cannot be occurred, because what about chlorine atoms? So we need chlorine atoms also. So the correct option here comes is H3O plus Cl minus. Okay. Next, 11th one, a solution turns red litmus blue. Its pH is likely to be, when the solution turns red litmus to blue, it means the solution has to be base, not an acid. When it is acid, it will turn blue litmus to red. Okay, so you can identify it by the danger color, that is red. It means it is acid. If it turns into red, it is acid. If it turns into blue, it is base. So here a solution turns red litmus to blue. So blue in the case, it must be base. So what will be the pH value of base here? It is not 1, it is not 4, it is not 5, it is 10. Because after 7 is the neutral point. So after 7, whatever the numbers are there, that comes under the base. So here all the numbers are coming before 7. So the after number which comes after 7 is nothing but 10. So this will be the correct answer. Okay. So next, which one of the following types of medicine is used for treating indigestion? So you all know that when indigestion occurs, we use a base. Okay, that base is called nothing but antacid. Okay, it is a type of medicine, okay, which is used for treating indigestion. Okay, whereas antibiotic, antiseptic and analgesic, this is used to treat another types of diseases. Okay. So the next question, which one in the following is not among the forms of calcium carbonate? Okay, so here one more question is asked. We should mention which is that form which is not among the calcium carbonate. So limestone, chalk and marble comes under the form of calcium carbonate. These are the forms of calcium carbonate, whereas diamond is the form of only carbon. Okay, so the answer here is diamond. Okay, next, this is not among the concentrated acids. So here HCl, this is hydrochloric acid, this is H2SO4 sulfuric acid and HNO3 is nitric acid, whereas NaCl is sodium chloride. It is nothing but a salt. So this is a salt and it is not among the concentrated acids. So the solution here is HCl, H2SO4 and HNO3 comes under concentrated acid, whereas NaCl is a salt. Okay. Next, the pH range of our body is. So what is the pH range of our body? It is nearer to neutral, that is 7 to 8. Okay. So 4 to 5 it is nearer to acid, 0 to 1 is also nearer to acid and 11 to 12 is more basic. So what is the pH range of our body? It is nearer to the neutral solution. 6 to 7 or 7 to 8 can be noted as the pH range of our body. Okay. Next, so acid rain contains the pH as. So you can see acid rain, it is having the pH as 5.6. Okay, so it is the exact value which has been mentioned in your textbook, that our acid rain contains the pH value to be 5.6. Okay, the 17th one. Next question is the property which is not shown by the acids are. So here among this 4 there is a property which is not shown by the acid. So you all know that they have sour taste. Okay, the acids are having sour taste. They turn litmus red. Yes, I told you in the previous question itself. I told you if it is a danger color, it is nothing but the acid. Okay, they feel soapy. So this is the case which is not found in the acid. Okay, their pH is less than 7. You know, acid means the pH will be less than 7 itself. So the answer here is they feel soapy. This is the property of base, not an acid. Okay. Next, some fruits like mango, lemon, raw grapes, orange, etc. have sour taste due to the presence of. So which is the acid which is present in all of this above? So here the options have been given: acetic acid, citric acid, lactic acid or oxalic acid. Okay, so the correct answer here is citric acid. Because you all know acetic acid is present in vinegar, whereas lactic acid is present in milk and oxalic acid is present in tomato. Okay, so the next question, 19th one. An ant sting can be treated with dash, which will neutralize the effect of chemical injected by the ant sting into our skin. So whenever the ant bite us, its sting will be having some of the chemical. So that chemical will be left into our body. Okay. So to reduce that or to neutralize that chemical, what should be injected to our body to reduce that? Okay, or to neutralize that effect. So the question here is, so the options here are, choose the correct option from the following. Okay, methanoic acid, formic acid, baking soda or caustic soda. So the correct answer here is baking soda, because you know here these two are nothing but the acids. Okay, so already the ant sting will be acidic. Okay, and we cannot inject again acid to neutralize that. So when it is acid, we need something base to neutralize it. If we are adding two things, that is acid and base, then only it will get neutralized. So here the base is nothing but baking soda. So caustic soda is used somewhere in cement factories, or you can see in making papers and all. So this cannot be injected. Okay. So the last question here is, the reaction between an acid and a base to give a salt and water is known as. Just now above I have told you, when it is acid and base, when both cases react together, we will get a neutralized reaction. So the answer here is neutralization reaction. Okay, so I hope everything is cleared for you. If you are having any doubts regarding this, you can comment me down below, and if you like my video, then do hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel as well as click the bell button to get notification as well, and I'll be back with another topic. Stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you.